Hi everybody, Jeremy here from Davinci Studio, and today a quick video to share with you a free sample from our time and date title pack. So if you're ready, let's check it out. Alright, so you can download that title by clicking the link in the description below. You will get this zip file, just double click on it to unzip it. It will give you this folder. In the folder you have a couple of things. You have the license, the installation instruction, the JRFX file, and the font. Please make sure to install the font, otherwise the title will not work. So make sure to just select all the font, double click on it to start the installation process, and then you can just go over to the JRFX file and just double click on it to install the pack. So right now we're just gonna click install. Then once in Davinci Resolve, you can go over to Effect, Titles, Davinci Studio. Then you can just scroll all the way down to Sample, and then here you'll be able to find the time and date sample. So then you can just drag that in your timeline, and let's see together what you can do with it. So the title is basically a counter that is rolling numbers and displaying a year. Right now by default the animation is 3 seconds, but if you want you can just choose any duration. So right now we're just gonna select 1 second and we're gonna play it again, and as you can see the animation is a lot quicker to display the year. By default on this title there is no animation out. If you want to have an opacity animation out, you can just drag that slider right here, and this slider will basically give you control over the length of your fade out animation out. So right now, as you can see, we have something that is longer, about 2 seconds, and now we can just reduce that for like half a second. Now, if we look further in the inspector, as you can see, we have a first control called number control. It basically gives you here the choice in between the different number that we're displaying. So right now, number 1 is the 1, and you can just select basically any number you like. We just decided to do it that way, so it's just easier to toggle in between number. Then you can choose the direction of the animation. Right now, by default on this one, it's upward, but we can switch it to downward. So you can do that for each of the numbered display. By default, we have them being 1 upward, 1 downward, 1 upward, 1 downward, but you could have them all in upward, for example, and it will just give you that kind of animation instead. As you may have noticed here, depending on the number that is selected, it will roll faster or slower. For example, as you can see, they all are starting from 0. Right now, where we have the 9 selected, the 9 is a lot slower because there is only one shift that needs to happen between the two numbers, compared to, for example, here, where we're landing on 4 or 5. As you can see, there is a lot more numbers that are just passing by to just get in the frame. But here you go, that's how you can just select your year. So for example, here we're gonna do 2023. And here we go. Now we have also access to the size and position. So right now we could just raise the overall size of the title and adjust the position as well. At any moment you can reset any parameter by just double click it on that parameter, and it will just reset it to default. Then here we have access to the text styling. So you can basically here adjust the mask soft edge in between the edges of the number. So here, if we increase that, as you can see, we have a softer edge where the number are disappearing behind the mask. Then we can adjust the mask height by reducing it or increasing it. You can adjust the spacing in between the numbers. So here we could just, for example, push aside the 6. We can change the font if we want. We can also adjust the color. We can adjust the appearances. So for example, here we could make an outline. And if we were to select here the color black, we'll have only the outline red of the number, and we can just change that color right here. So you can play around with that, play around with the thickness, the opacity, etc. Right now I'm just gonna reset everything to original. Then we have the shadow. So basically that's a drop shadow behind the numbers. Here, as you can see, you can adjust the shadow strength. By having it to the minimum, it will basically disappear, and if you have it to the maximum, it will be a solid shadow. You can also adjust the blur. The more you increase the blur, the more discrete and diffuse the shadow will be, as well as the drop distance and the drop angle. You can also add some glow. So here, for example, if you increase the gain, you will just create a glow around the number, and then you can just play around with the glow size to just have the glow being more contained in the number, or just the more you increase the glow size, the more diffuse the glow gonna be. With the blend, you can just also play around and reduce the overall strength of the effect. And then here we have background. which basically create an animated background behind the title to help us create more separation between the title and our subjects. So here, if I increase the opacity, as you can see, we have a solid now, and we can basically play around to have something in between that help us darken our footage. We can also create a vignette. So here, if I just reduce the width and reduce the height, and I just click invert, I can then just here put the corner radius to the maximum to create a vignette, and then we can just adjust the soft edge and push it to the maximum, and we will just create a vignette that can help us drive more focus towards the title. And that's pretty much it. I hope you will find this title to be useful. If you do, there is a full pack available on our website that contains 20 time and date titles. So if you like that, you can check that up on the website. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye. Speed up your workflow and create better videos using the pack available on our website, including titles, transition, and templates built only for Davinci Resolve. Get started today by downloading our free starter pack that contains over 150 elements. Link in the description below or at videoeditorstudio.com.